What if I tell you now you can track your website's unknown visitors, you can engage with them, and you can even close the deal if you are selling services or the products in your website. Yes, there's the tool that the help of you can just track your anonymous visitors for the website. You can capture their contact details like the email ID, phone number, and instantly you can engage them, because this tool also offers a chatbot that you can install in your website as the widget, and this is the AI power. All you need to just start chatting with it and this is going to reply automatically. For example, I have just sent the hi and you see I haven't replying anything. AI is managing everything, so it will ask the contact details, all those stuff, and after that it will add here on its dashboard as well. You can see this is the visitors section, and here I can check it out, all the visitors, all the accounts. Right now it's empty because I have just installed this tool on my website, so it will take around the 12 hours to 24 hours to get the insights here, and all the accounts start showing up. And not only that, you are also going to get the all the alerts for the new leads on your Slack platform as well. You just need to simply integrate Slack with this tool here. So I will show you everything and I will tell you all the steps, all the features in this tool here. So hey guys, this is Basant here, and in today's video I am going to review Maximize.AI. This is the AI tool with the help of you can just track your unknown website visitors. Until now those visitors are untapped. You cannot engage them because you don't have any email or the phone numbers or the contact details to contact with them basically. But with this tool you can capture their contact details. It's just track their visiting and they follow back them, and after get their contact details. These contact details are 100% verified. Let me tell you first that. Then after that you can also install this AI chatbot on your website. It is also going to help you to get all the queries from your visitors, all their contact details, and after that you can just start cold outreaching, your engagement, all this stuff you can start doing that. So that way you are also converting your hidden traffic into the qualified leads or sales in the minutes. So this is what Maximize.AI will do you. And right now its lifetime deal is available on the app. So starting from the just okay, this is the tier 1, starting from the just $59. I will talk about the plans and features later, the ending part of the video, but till now let me give you the start its tutorial and the demo and the features explanation, so I can show you everything. So first let me delete this account and I will show you from the scratch how you will set up your account, how you are going to connect your website, how you are going to add this chat widget, all this stuff. So stay tuned because there's a lot cool features ahead in this video. Once you got the lifetime deal, this is where you are going to register your account and going to set up your account here. Okay, so by the way, if you want to check out the deal for the Maximize.ai, you can find the link in the description. Now let's back to the tutorial here. So we have added our first name, last name, and the company name. Let's click on the next. Now it will ask you your domain name which you want to connect with the Maximize.ai. So we will simply add our domain name here and just click on the next. Now it is going to give you the script that you need to place on the header part of your website. So let me copy the script, go to my website, this is the header part, okay, and let me paste the code here, click on the save changes. So if you are also using a cache plugin like me on your website, you need to click here on the purge cache for this page. Also go to your homepage of the website and also purge the cache for homepage as well. Now we have done. Now let me click here again and you can see we have simply paste the code on the header part. We have to now click here on the verify script on the website. So it is going to verify the code available on your website in the real time. You can see you have successfully activated a script on your website. So it is done. Now click on the next button here. You can see next button, and now it is asking me to set up the Slack alerts. Slack is the platform you can connect your company or the team members and you can set up the alert. So every time a new lead it is going to identify, it is going to send you the details on the Slack. So simply click here on the setup. Make sure you have the activated Slack account, and here your Slack account will appear. Now it will asking you the channel name, so I will select the channel, click on the allow, and that's how simply you have integrated the Slack with your Maximize account to getting the alerts for every new lead. Okay, now let's click on the next. We are all set. Click on the next, and now we are ready to track all the unknown website visitor. So this is the home page. It is going to show you all the insight like the page views, your important top pages, the traffic location, all those stuff. Then we have this visitor section. Suppose you start getting the visitors, so all the informations and all the identified account, it is going to show up here. Make sure you also enable this one, activate account identification, so it is going to identify all those accounts. Okay, so right now it's empty because I have just set up the account in front of you, so it's empty. We have to wait around the 24 hours or the 1 or 2 days to start getting the traction. Now this is the main core feature, that is the engage. So here we are going to activate the chat widget for our website. So right now you can see there's the no widget here. So once we set up this thing, the widget will be appear. So it will first ask me my website URL, so it can research the website, analyze the content, and start giving the information to the all the visitors who starting to chat from the chat widget. So simply copy your website link. Okay, go to the here again, paste, and click on the extract website data. It will take around the 15 or 20 seconds, so you have to wait, or you can also skip that part because in the trading data we can also give the website URL. Okay, so let me go with all the steps. So right now you can see this is my company name, this is the what I am selling, this is the proof points, pain points. Let's click on the next, and here it will ask me from which tone I want to contact or engage with my visitors. They have some popular personalities available, but I will go with the formal. Okay, now in the next thing, this is the sales technique, so you can select this one, the compliment, connect and offer, personalized solution page, spark curiosity with hook. Okay, so you can select any of these ones, so I will go with this one, like the compliment, connect and offer. Then here it is asking me call to action. So what is going to be your call to action? So it has some pre-defined call to actions available already, like schedule a meeting, book a demo. I will go with the request engagement or more information. Simply click here, and now your widget is done. So we have to go on to this customize widget, so where we are going to add the logo, we are going to add our welcome background video. This is the small video you can just record and add here, and every time your website loads, this video is going to be pop up like welcoming your new visitor. Here you can just add the primary color, message color, all this stuff, and everything is done. Let me click here on the save setting. You can see there's the your Calendly or booking link, you can also edit here, so that is the also great feature. And after all the settings done, you can see our chat widget is now enabled here. So if I open it, click here on the schedule a call or book a meeting, all this information available. So simply click here on the connect with sale. As a visitor, I am performing this. Okay, so here now I can start chatting with this chatbot, and now it will going to ask me my email address. So if visitor is the genuine, it is going to given the original email address or phone number I can also ask for. So based on that, I can give here and start getting the original contact details for the visitors. So that way is also a great option what I liked here on the Maximize.ai. So next core feature is the integration. This is where you can get the more advanced features and connect with the platform. Like it has the instant lead, it has the webhooks, and it has the smart lead. So you can get the emails or from your unknown visitors or from the chatbot. Now what you can do, you can just integrate with the instantly. If you don't know, this is the really popular cold outreaching platform, and from there you can start doing cold outreaching. Okay, and we have already connected Slack, so that's why it is already showing the connected way here. Okay, then there are also some upcoming integrations available with the Salesforce, Apollo, Zapier or the Herrick. So definitely you should check out this tool here. Then we have the team management. There you can just connect your more team member. This is billing, this is white label. Okay, so these are all the core features I have showed you of the Maximize.ai, and this is really a good tool I think you should definitely check it out. There's also the free trial account they are offer. You can get started for free, but what I suggest, get its lifetime deal, because here you will get the 60 days money back guarantee. It's more like the around 2 months, like the risk-free access with all the core features. You can check it out. So now let me talk about is all the plans and features available on those plans available. First of all, with the every plan you will get the lifetime access, and this will be the only one-time payment. If I go to the Maximise.ai and if I go to the pricing section, you can see they are not offering the any lifetime deal on their official website. They are starting or getting the prices for their plans starting from the $59 per month, but here on the AppSumo we are only paying the one-time payment and the lifetime access. This is what I like most about the AppSumo. So here we are getting the around 5-tier plan, and in the every plan they have the more credits for the accounts and the video call minutes per month. Okay, so based on your requirement you can choose any of these plans from 1 to tier 5 and get started. I have showed you all the steps on all the features and tutorials how you can get started. So that's all for today's video. I want to talk about Maximise.ai. If you want to check it, this deal, the link will be given in the description, and there's also one more similar tool available on the AppSumo that is also offering the same features. Identify your unknown website visitors and then turn them into your leads, or the you can outreach with them. But in the hyperreach there's also some extra features available. So if you want to also a detailed video on the hyperreach, just let me know in the comments, and the next video will be on the hyperreach. Or what I can do, I can also compare hyperreach with the Maximise.ai and show you all the core features or the differences between both the tools. So it will be the really easy for all of you guys to choose which platform will be the best for you. Okay, so that's all for today's video. And if I talk or get my suggestion, what I liked most about in the Maximise.ai, simply think that it's connectivity with the website or creating the chat widget is the super easy. Its user interface is really easy to operate and easy to understand. So what I like, these are the things. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe this channel, and if you want to stay updated with these kind of the AI tools, make sure to subscribe this channel. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.